First off, I want to start with sort of basic and then work our way up to more advanced. So that's how today's video is structured. I want to talk to you about the mentorship from the perspective of the mentee and the perspective of the mentor, because you learn by teaching. You learn by teaching. That's when you have to hold yourself accountable. But for new agents who haven't done a deal or haven't done more than 3 deals in a year, eXp Realty, they've got you covered. They've got you covered. They've got the mentorship program. And as you can see right here on my screen, it is 10 modules of kick bottom training. You're going to go over things like the introduction to eXp University. It's going to show you how to use the software that is 24/7 access. Don't recommend using it on a Saturday, but that's between you and Yah. But I wouldn't do anything except, praise Yah on Saturdays. You've got business planning. How much money do you want to make? What are the steps to get there? You've got things like time management. Look, answer emails 3 times a day. Don't sit on your phone all day answering emails. You gotta focus on income producing activities. Building your database. How many friends do you have on social media? If 7% of those friends are doing transactions per year, how are you going to capture 50% of that business? You don't have to be in the same state to get a referral. You don't have to be in the same country to get a referral. eXp Realty is international. Prospecting and lead gen. Door knocking. Open houses. Inviting people to open houses. Calling your database. Checking in with them. You don't have to talk real estate. Just ask them what their plans are for Thanksgiving. Have a conversation. What to say. How do you get the buyer from desire to closing? The buyers want to buy. The sellers want to sell. It's your job as a professional real estate agent to help them accomplish their goals. There's going to be bumps along the way. You got to be that rock for them. You got to get them where they need to go. Everything's negotiable. Absolutely, guys. Absolutely. And it's not closed till it's closed. The contract gives us an outline, but it's our jobs as sales professionals to get them to that closing. Working with buyers. Make sure they know that you're working with them. The first thing, establish the relationship. Come on, guys. Working with sellers. Have a strong listing presentation. You're going to learn that. If you want training, if you're yearning for learning, eXp Realty is a place for you. State-specific course content. It's going to teach you how to work within eXp Realty in your state. And guess what, guys? Don't worry about other people. You create your own environment. If you feel like the state might be lacking something, step up. I'm not trying to push work on you, but step up. Take that leadership role. Provide those groups. Provide that missing link for you that you think the state needs. Step up. Make it happen, guys. And it's going to blow you away by everything that's already here. But you team leaders, you broker owners, don't let one thing hold you back from wealth, from generational wealth that you can pass on to someone when you pass away or expire. You don't want to sell houses until you expire, right? Revenue share, generational wealth, guys. This is eXp's mentorship program. It's going to blow you away. This training right here is more powerful than my college education was. I have a bachelor's in business administration with a minor in finance real estate. This training right here that you get as part of eXp Realty is better than my college education. And I'm not making it up. I'm telling you the truth. Flip side of this, real quick, guys, you team leaders, you broker owners, look at this. Become a mentor. Go through this program with your people. If they're not doing a minimum of 3 deals a year, they got to go through this program. You be their mentor. You go through this with them. You will become stronger. You will be able to help them succeed. Take your brokerage, your team to that next level with RevShare. You got this, guys. You got this.